This is how I make rice. I'm not claiming it's authentic, but here we go. I'm gonna use 4 Roma tomatoes, but if you only have these, use 1 per cup. I'm using 2 per cup of rice of the Roma, and I'm using a wedge of onion. I'll probably just use 1 garlic clove. I'm gonna use 2 cups of rice and 4 cups of water, and you just need about maybe like a 1/4 cup. Okay. That's 1 cup of rice, and that's 2. You gotta keep stirring and never ever leave this unattended. You add your tomato, onion, and garlic. Watch out. Okay. And then I like to do this to get every last bit of it. And you add 4 cups of water. I usually put about a teaspoon of salt and about 2 teaspoons of chicken bouillon. Okay, you see how it's boiling now? See that? Alright, so now at this point, you want to set a timer for 10 minutes and put the heat on as low as possible. After the 10 minutes are up, remove the lid and stir it until all that sauce is mixed throughout the rice. I know a lot of people don't like to lift the lid, but I just do it, and this has worked for me, so get it all mixed up. After you put the lid back on, set the timer for 5 more minutes. And then when those 5 minutes are up, you're going to turn off the heat and just let it sit there for at least 15 minutes.